Magic colors everywhere. Ruby and Bunny, come along. Let's learn our colors with a song. Blue and green and orange too. So many colors for me and you. Open your eyes, what do you see? A world of color for you and me. Ruby points to a book on the shelf. Look at this book, she says to herself. It's blue like the ocean, blue like the sky, like a little blue bird flying way up high. Blue is the color of the deep white sea. It's as pretty as a color can be. This green plant is looking so fine. It's green like the grass where the bunnies play. Green like the forest on a sunny day. Bunny takes a nibble, what a silly sight. Green is the color of a nature delight. Blue and green and orange too. So many colors for me and you. Open your eyes, what do you see? A world of color for you and me. Now listen close, what is bright and bold? Warmer than the sun or so we're told. It's a color we love, can you guess the name? It glows like a happy little candle flame. It's orange! Let's give a shout! That's what the magic is all about. Ruby takes an orange, sweet and round. Bunny finds a carrot in the ground. Mmm, so juicy. Mmm, so sweet. Orange is a crunchy, yummy treat. Red like an apple, yellow like the sun. Purple like a grape, having so much fun. Look at the chalkboard, see them glow like a beautiful, magical, bright rainbow. Colors here, colors there, magic colors everywhere. Ruby and Bunny had a great day. Now it's time to hop away. See you next time, friends. Goodbye.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi, friends! Today we're going to learn about colors. Just look how many there are. And what is your favorite color? Yeah, I like it too. We will start with blue. There's something inside. Wow, it's a spinner, and it's blue. It's spinning round and round so fast. What else have we got? A squishy. Oh, it is so nice to the touch. And the little balls inside it are all of different colors. And this is a mold for plasticine. Cool! Let's make something fun. I am going to use blue plasticine. First, let's roll it nice and flat. Now, let's take our mold and press it, like this. What do you think will happen? This is exciting. We've got a cute blue bunny. I know that our bunny loves merry-go-round. Do you like it, friends? Oh, look, this is so much fun. Orange. Let's see what we'll get from this orange crayon. Whoa, look at this! It's 3 orange toys! This one is a stretchy crab. How funny its legs are! By the way, real crabs are not so stretchy, and they live in the ocean. The second orange toy is carrot. Carrots are vegetables. They are very tasty and healthy. I like to eat carrots. Do you like eating them? Okay, I wonder what is inside this baggie. Let's open it and find out. Oh, it's gooey slime. It's so sticky. I know! Let's roll it into a ball. We can make something really funny from it. I will put our orange ball onto this bouncy spring. I will also stick these funny eyes to it. And here goes a yellow hat. I love this funny bouncy cowboy. Haha! Boing boing! Cool! Do you know what color this is? That's right, it's purple. Well done. Wow, this is an eggplant. Eggplants are vegetables too. We all should eat a lot of vegetables to stay healthy and strong. Ooh, this looks fun. What could this be? Let's open the baggie. Ah, it's a squishy grapes. It is so stretchy. And purple, of course. Look, it's an airplane. It has wings right here. Wow! The airplane has just landed. Let's open this purple door and see what's inside. This is called the aircraft steps. The passengers walk up and down them. Can you see the pilot? There she is! She flies the airplane. Would you like to be a pilot? Yeah, me too! I think it's time for our purple plane to go. Look, it is about to take off. This color is called brown. What will be inside this time? Whoa, this looks interesting. We've got a brown mushroom. And here's a chocolate donut. Yum! Wow, it's a speedy car. And it's brown, too. Let's chop the mushroom. I like them on my pizza. And you? Really? Great! Oh, I don't think we can eat this donut, but we can squish it. It feels good, and it's fun as well. I want to play with the car now. Vroom, vroom! How many wheels does the car have? That's right, the car has 4 wheels. Wow, it's so fast. Oops. Next up is the red color. I wonder what's inside this crayon. Let's open it up. Yay, we've got more toys. They are just great. There's a red dinosaur. Do you think the dinosaur is hungry? Yeah, I think so. Let's feed him with this red leaf. The dinosaur is happy now. Do you know what this food is called? That's right, it's a tomato. And tomatoes are red too. We'll cut it in half. Can you see the seeds? They help tomatoes grow. And this is called a sand timer. Let's flip it over and see what will happen. Can you see all the sand? It's like the sand at the beach. But this sand helps people tell the time. Interesting, right? Okay, let's try a different color. Yellow. I like this color. Ooh, something is rattling inside. Just look at all these toys! They are amazing! Let's play with these little tigers first. They are roly-polies. Can you count how many there are? 3! And this is a yellow banana. Yummy. We'll cut it into 3 pieces. And give them to our 3 little tigers. This is a yellow egg cup. It looks so happy! Do you know how we can use it? That's right! We can put something in here! I have this gooey yellow slime. It's very stretchy. And it's very beautiful, too. I like playing with slimes. Let's put it into the egg cup. It looks like an egg! We can make it look even better. Just look at all these stars. Here goes some more glitter. It's yellow, of course. 1, 2, 3. Great! I'm sure you know this color well. It's pink! Let's sneak a peek inside. We've got more cool toys! Let's have a good look at them. We'll start with this. What do you think it is? It's pink slime, but it's not so stretchy. We can easily pull it apart. I'll put it back in here. Let's play with other pink toys now. It's a little baby giraffe. So cute. Giraffes have really long necks to get food from tall trees. Let's make a giraffe from a piece of pink plasticine. First, we need to roll out the plasticine. Like this. Now let's press our giraffe mold against it. I think that will do it. Can you see the giraffe? It looks so cute, right? I really like it. And who's this? It's a little pink mouse with cute pink ears and tail. But this mouse is special. Let's see what will happen if we do this. The mouse is moving its tail. Wow! Now it's running across the table. I think it's looking for cheese. Whoa! It's so fast! Gotcha! We'll put it back into the pink crayon and close the lid so it won't run off. This is the last color for today. It's green. Let's see what's inside. Wow, so many fun toys! There's green peas. If I press the pod, the peas pop out. Ah, it's got a little face, so cute! And I can put it on my keys. Very handy. Next we have bracelet with a dinosaur, and it's green. I want to try it on. Wow, it looks good. I like it very much. And you? Hey, here's one more green dinosaur. And it's super stretchy. Whoa. This body is really long. It looks like it's dancing. This dinosaur has green horns. Can you count them? Very well. This is our last toy for today. We've learned about so many toys and colors. Let's repeat them all. Go with me. Yellow. Red. Brown. Purple. Pink. Green. Blue. Orange. I had so much fun playing with you today, my dear friends. See you next time. Bye!
Well, I used the big dots and spots with the big pencil at the end.
With a big pencil, great idea. Wow, it's a very colourful dotty and spotty picture. Now, Sky, what did you draw around in the middle?
Butterfly.
A butterfly, that's right, and it looks great. OK, Brooke, this is a lovely, colourful, spotty, dotty picture. And what's in the middle there?
A teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Now, Michael, you've got a very, very colourful picture. What colours have you used?
I used the green, pink, yellow, orange and blue.
Wow, lots and lots of colourful spots. Now, make your picture as colourful as you like, because... Wait a minute, what's that noise? It sounds like someone's asleep at our party. Who is it, everyone? That's right, it's the Shapes. I think we should wake them up. So after 3, ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Dance! I am a shape. I am a shape. Here we go. I am a shape. Scraps, let's party! Come on, mini makers. Let's all dance with the shapes.
I am a circle.
Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air. Triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square. Draw it here, draw it there. Everybody draw a square.
I am a rectangle.
Bounce, everybody. Bounce like you just don't care. What's it going to be? Wait till we will see a shape for you and me.
I am a circle.
Look at these 2 pictures. How many differences can you spot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, there are 5 differences. That was fantastic, Circle. It's time to get back on the shelf. Oh, look! Scrap's surprise party popper. To make a paper dot bird picture like this, carefully use a hole punch to make paper dots out of coloured paper. You can make any colour dots you want. Now, make circles of glue on the paper. Sprinkle the coloured dots onto the glue circles. Make sure they're stuck down. And shake off the extra dots. Stick on paper triangle beaks. And sticker eyes. Next, draw a line just underneath the birds. And add some legs so they can stand on a wire. Fantastic! Your paper dot bird picture is finished. It looks brilliant! What a great idea, Scraps! And you can make any paper dot picture you like. Fantastic! Tyrell, why don't you show us your picture and tell us all about it? What is it? Look at that!
This is my purpley monster, and I put 2 eyes here and 3 eyes here to make it look scary.
That is out of this world. Well done, Tyrell. Stephanie, look at this beautiful picture. What a lovely face and beautiful hair. What did you make that with? Lots and lots?
Of yellow dots.
Well done, brilliant. And then last but not least, we've got Tiana here with a super starfish. Now, what have you got on your super underwater starfish picture, Tiana?
So I've got 2 eyes and a cheeky little mouth with bubbles all around it.
With a cheeky little smile, just like me. Well done, Mini Makers. They are fantastic spotty, dotty pictures. But now, for something different, follow me. This way, Mini Makers. Come on, everyone. Come on, Mini Makers. Now, you are going to make a brilliant party picture. Have a look at the screen and see if you can guess what it's going to be. What picture are today's Mini Makers making? Any ideas? What do you think it could be?
It's a leopard!
That's right, it was a leopard, and it was a really good picture, Mini Makers. Well done. All that noise means that it's time for... So, it's over to Party Camp to find out which Mini Makers are playing today. It's Alim! Yay! Who's next? Here we go. It's Kira! Go on, off you go. It's Caitlin! Well done, my friends. You've been chosen for a very special arty challenge. You've probably heard of a game called Spot the Difference, but today, Mini Makers, your arty challenge is called Different Spots. You've got to make lots and lots of painty spots on this giant piece of paper with those giant painty stampers. It's going to get a bit messy, and that's why you're wearing your arty suits. Now, Caitlin, Alim, and Kira, do you think you can do it?
Yeah!
I think so too, but you're going to have to be quick. You must finish all of your spots and dots before Scraps makes this noise. Get ready, get steady, go! That's it. Over, down the other end. You need more paint, Mini Makers. Doing a great job, Mini Makers. Keep going. Some yellow spots. Do you think they're going to do it? Oh, just in time, Scraps. Back over here, Mini Makers. Come on over here. Let's have a look at your lovely picture. Look at that. It's a fantastic, huge, spotty, dotty painting. Well done, Mini Makers. Did you have lots of fun?
Yeah!
Well, it's now time to tidy up. So let's go and tidy up our paint and our stampers, Mini Makers. What a great arty party we've had today. We've had lots of dotty, spotty fun today, printing with paint and making paper dot pictures. We found out how Georges Seurat made a spotty painting, and we played different spots to make a really big dotty picture. We've been arty at our arty party. Are you ready? Your fun's just begun! That's right, our party's over, but your arty fun is just beginning. It's time to put the party pad back in its box. See you soon, everyone. Bye!